Hey guys, today I've got a Whirlpool side-by-side stainless steel refrigerator. It's in excellent shape, and I want to show you real quick that everything works good on it and everything is in perfect working order. So we'll start here with the water and ice. Got the light turned on. Let's see what we'll do. Let's do water first. Go ahead and hit that so you can see. Nice water flow there, and then we'll put some ice in it too. Cubed ice and then crushed ice. You see, all that works perfect. Okay, now reset here. I want to show you that it is cooling and freezing the way it's supposed to. So right in between those two red dots, it's going to take a surface temperature measurement. Kind of see the difference there between the floor and the machine. So we'll open this up on the fridge side. I've got it set to its coldest setting, so it is pretty cold in there. Let me grab a picture for the ad, and then we'll switch over to the freezer side. Obviously super cold in there. So as you can see, everything is cooling and freezing like it's supposed to. I'll go ahead and put up some pictures, get this thing wiped down and sanitized. That way in the ad you get the description, dimensions, all that. So go ahead and read the ad. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thanks.